Alright, what's up, man?
Oh, what's good, Lay? How you doing?
I'm good, bro. What you been up to?
I actually just recorded my Flipgrid outside today, and then I'm headed and work on my blog post.
Hey everyone, good morning, happy Thursday. So the parallel unit I chose was called the empathy muscle, and right now we're kind of exploring empathy from various angles, philosophical and scientific, and kind of looking at case studies in which empathy is explored and put into practice in the real world.
I wanted to do something focused on environmental ethics.
So I think mine actually relates to yours. I think actually all three relates, but so I'm actually doing complexities of borders.
I read through your whole project. I really like it. I think, in terms of making a community artifact, you being in New York, creating this timeline, showing some graphs is a really good way of sort of immortalizing it.
But I just basically did a bit on the Columbia gas explosions.
So Bloom kind of explored the limitations of empathy and argues that we are more likely to be spontaneously empathetic to those who are similar to us.
It's easier to have empathy for a specific person than a whole group of people.
Because you mentioned how we're more likely to empathize, or it's easier for us to empathize with people we're familiar with, reminds me of the us versus them rhetoric that is employed in many different circumstances to tear people apart.
We do Zoom study calls where we call each other and then kind of set goals. So I just sent my goal into the chat. We'll meet back up when it's 8:45 and see how much progress we've made. So I decided to take the lens of an exhibition because I thought it would introduce some different art dynamics that we haven't really been talking about.
We're working with a lot of different forms, including writing and a list form of writing, and we're also curating a small exhibition for the final product.
Oh, we gotta go to the speakers coming up. The journalist.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna hop on that.
Okay. See you there, bro.
See ya.